how many watts to run a portable air conditioner. Air conditioners are so useful in hotter climates or during hotter temperatures. However, not everyone has a permanent unit installed in their house or office. In fact, for many a permanent AC unit is an unaffordable luxury that they cannot afford to purchase, install, or run. The good news is that portable air conditioners are a solid alternative to permanent AC units. Here, we look at how much it costs and how many watts to run a portable air conditioner. Firstly, we'll determine the advantages and disadvantages of buying a portable unit so you can understand whether it's a suitable purchase for you in the first place. Advantages to portable air conditioners. Cost. The immediate advantage to a portable unit, in comparison to a permanent one, is the fact that it is so much cheaper. Portable units can vary a lot in price, but a decent one should only set you back a few $100s. Permanent unit installations can cost 3 times that at least. Ease. One of the main advantages of a portable unit is just how easy and hassle-free they are to install. Permanent installation takes a lot of building work and mess in your home, whereas a portable unit can be set up in a room in a matter of minutes once it's taken out of the packaging. Disadvantages to portable air conditioners. Noise. Portable air conditioning units come with a couple of notable drawbacks. One of the main issues users complain about is how noisy they can be. However, this can often be diminished by purchasing the best quality you can afford, putting the unit on a soft surface, and regular maintenance checks. Efficiency. Some portable air conditioner users complain that the units they use do not make a room as cool as they would like. However, this can often be resolved by buying the correct size or powered unit for the space you want to cool. Amount of watts needed to run a portable air conditioner. One of the factors that many prospective portable air conditioner owners consider when buying a unit is the cost it takes to run them. To calculate this, it's first necessary to know how many watts it takes to run a portable air conditioning unit in the first place. On average, it takes around 1,000 to 1,100 watts to run a standard portable air conditioner. That means you need to see how much your own local electricity costs per kilowatt hour and take that as how much it will be to run your unit for an hour. However, bear in mind a couple of things when using these figures to calculate the cost of running a unit. Model designs are constantly developing to become more energy efficient. Factor in the energy efficiency of your unit before buying it. While it may be a more expensive model at first, over the life of the portable air conditioner's usage it may end up being cheaper overall. Secondly, bear in mind how likely our electricity cost per unit is going to change. Some areas find that their providers are often increasing their charges, while others are more stable. Conclusion. Buying an air conditioner unit that you can afford to run is important, otherwise you may not use it all. Units are becoming more and more economical to use thanks to developments in technology and a global want to improve efficiency to save energy. Buying an air conditioner does not necessarily have to be as expensive as you once would have thought, particularly if you do the research to buy the right unit for you.